In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a timestamp to UTC. First, a quick refresher so the rest makes perfect sense. A timestamp, often called a Unix or epoch timestamp, is just a big number that counts the seconds, or sometimes milliseconds, since January 1st, 1970 at 00 UTC. UTC is the universal time standard that doesn't change with time zones or daylight saving. Converting a timestamp to UTC lets you see the exact, unambiguous time it represents anywhere in the world. To get started, open any reliable online converter that handles epoch to UTC. You don't need to install anything. These tools run in your browser. Search for an epoch to UTC converter and pick one you trust. Most of these pages have a single box where you paste your timestamp. Now, copy the numeric timestamp from your source and paste it into the input field. Make sure you include only the digits, with no extra spaces or punctuation. Many tools can tell whether your number is in seconds or milliseconds. If yours is in milliseconds, it will have 13 digits. If it's in seconds, it will usually have 10. Good converters either detect this automatically or clearly indicate what they expect, so you get an accurate result. As soon as you paste the number, the page typically shows three things right away. First is the UTC time. This is the standardized time your timestamp maps to, usually shown as a clear date and time in a 24-hour format. Some tools also display the UTC offset, which for UTC itself is 0. Second, you'll see your local time. This is the same moment expressed in your computer's time zone, accounting for daylight saving if it applies. It's helpful for understanding when that event happened in your day. If the local time looks off, double-check your device's time zone settings. Third, most converters provide a date breakdown. This spells out the components: year, month, day, hour, minute, and second, and sometimes the weekday or day of the year. This breakdown is useful when you're entering data into forms, comparing logs, or just sanity checking the output. A couple of quick tips as you review the results. If the output seems wildly in the past or future, verify whether the timestamp was in seconds or milliseconds. Also, remember that UTC won't shift for seasons, so the UTC time is the stable reference you can share with teammates in other regions. Once you've got the UTC time you need, you can copy it and use it in your reports, logs, or alerts with confidence.